All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I finally got my power bank in, man. And I actually used this prior to this video. So this is the new power bank from Easy Accessory. You've probably seen me do a lot of videos for them. And this is one of their latest power banks. Now, the reason I'm excited about this is because of what it's offering. I can power so many devices with this thing. It's unreal. But the Type-C is obviously the one that I'm most excited about with this item. You've got to have a power bank around nowadays. If you're into technology or if you're a person who travels a lot, you've got to have a power bank with Type-C. So this one, as you can see here, has the Doubin Type-C and micro USB in there. It has Type-C over here as well. These are smart chargers, and this is the fast smart charger, and obviously this is a flashlight, and you've got your power button right there. But that's pretty much it. The reason I like this is because of how fast it charges phones and tablets. Now, I just charged my Galaxy S9 Plus, and it charged it from, I think it was at 80% to 100% in about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Normally at the end of a fast charge, it slows down. You know, it goes to a trickle charge. But this seems to have boosted up. And the reason it was at 80% is because I was in the garage, I was waxing the car, and I just had the phone just out there plugged up on a different charger, and it wasn't a fast charger. So I just had it on the charger while I was waxing the car. So I took it off, and then, you know, I got going with it and put it back on an actual fast charger, and I pulled this one out of the box and started using it. So this is just the manuals that come along with it. If you need this, you know, this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. You should have at least 20,000 laying around if you're going to have a battery pack, because this thing can actually power several things. You can plug in, I would suggest if you have something that has fast charging, definitely plug it into this right here. I tried the Type-C and it wasn't actually fast charging, but this is definitely fast charging. But the fact that I have Type-C there is really good. So you can actually recharge this with Type-C as well, or we could recharge it with micro USB. So that's definitely something that I really enjoy. And I'm recharging it with the Type-C, but I stopped charging it just to do this video because I had to show it to you and tell you that I'm really enjoying it. This is my new go-to fast charger. Now, I do have another fast charger by a different company. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still good. I believe it's 10,000. Let me see. This is the one that I use by my bedside, and this one is 10,000. Yeah, this thing charges really fast through this port, but you can see the difference here. Double the capacity, and it's definitely a lot thicker, but that doesn't mean anything. These are still really compact in size, and this charges really fast. So does this one. So I'll use this one again still. However, I will continue on with this as my main power bank. So shout out to Easy Accessories for popping me another one. I've done a lot of videos with Easy Accessories, so this isn't like a first time with them. They've sent me, I have another one that I keep. It's an ultra thin one, but it's a smaller capacity. But still, this is their latest one, and I am super excited to finally get mine in-house. Again, having the integration of Type-C into these things now is really important. So there you have it, folks. It's your man, Jay Will. New Easy Accessory 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. You got to keep one of these around if you travel a lot too. So it's your man, Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.